everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're just kind of here doing a damage report on the car and seeing what all needs to be fixed. And looks like Dennis has been, our car owner has been a busy man this week. He's pretty much got everything fixed. It looks like the left front's not too much wrong with it. Got the bumper fixed from that lap 2 incident when a car spun out. Got all the door fixed. We'll show you all that here in a second. And I just want to take a moment and thank all the new subscribers and all the subscribers that have been on this channel for quite a while. All the comments, the likes, it's been pretty overwhelming, and even made the Flow Top 5. So number 1, wish it would have been under different circumstances, but pretty awesome nonetheless. So gonna do some maintenance on the car, get the tires washed, get the car washed, get up on jack stands, and anyway, let's take a look at the car. All right, here it is. Looks like he's got the bumper back intact. The right side corner was all smashed in from one of the incidents. This header, the exhaust was completely smashed in. So it looks like he's got that all back together. The door, obviously, as you saw, got ripped off the car. It's pretty much all back together. Looks like we just got to do some bracing in there. And got the roof back on. So it actually looks like a normal late model again. Yeah, I don't know what your guys' opinion are. Let me know in the comments, but a late model without a roof just does not look right. It's pretty cool to drive them because of the visibility, and if you win, you can climb through the top, so that's pretty cool. But you know, watching them on TV, I watched the Topless 100 this week in the Lucas Oil Series, and it just doesn't look right. Here's another thing that Dennis did over the week. He put in a fire suppression system. So basically, if we have a fire in the car or something like that and the track crew can't get there in time, I can basically just pull this lever right here and it'll put out the fire. So cool to have that. Every car should have that. And voila, car is nice and clean. Gonna dry it off here, and then I still have tires, lots of tires. And if you know me, you know I hate washing tires, and I got 3 more in the trailer to do. So it sucks, but gotta get after it. All right, gotta grab the tires. All these here we ran in hot laps and heat race, and then we got 4 more out there. So gotta clean those up. Track in California, this is what we got to deal with. Absolutely caked. I couldn't even wash it, so I had to gotta let it sit for a while before hopefully that stuff will blow off. But the 4 tires we ran for the main event, they're all nice and clean, waiting for them to dry, and then we'll wrap them. All right, now that everything's clean, just taking a look here. All the bracing from hitting the curb lap after lap is basically come off. As you see, the bracing still on here. We'll have to get that fixed, and then coming back here, quarter panel again, bracing kind of came off, so I got to get that fixed. This one's still good. And then, like you saw before, the new door's on, still got to put the bracing in here, and then put another brace up here. So that might be for another day. Just gonna finish up with these tires here. Still gotta wash the hood and everything in the trailer. Got 3 more, I'm already dizzy. All right, and if you guys are wondering why we wrap the tires, once we get them clean, they have a bunch of, grooves and sipes and stuff and like that. We get the dirt out, and then once we roll it around the shop in the trailer, roll it out of the trailer at the track, it keeps all that dirt and stuff out of them. Also kind of keeps the tires fresh. They sit out in the sun. If they get put in the sun, they can start to dry out. So it kind of keeps them, fresh. So if there's another reason that somebody knows why everybody else wraps their tires, that's why we do it. Let me know. And if you're wondering why we wash everything inside, it's because it's like 180 degrees outside. All right, thanks everybody who tuned into this video. Just wanted to kind of show you guys what we do week in, week out, just to get the car ready. Today was basically wash day for me. Got the car all washed, tires clean, wrapped, everything like that. Dennis has been hard at it all week. Getting the car pretty much ready to go. We still got some maintenance to do. Got to put the nose back on, the fender, scale, and get the car ready to go for the next race. As of now, our plan is to run the 17th at Antioch. Things may change. I'm not really sure. It's a limited schedule here in California. We don't have the luxury of, in the South where they run all the time. So a little unfortunate as far as that goes, but we race when we can. And when we started this, I was just documenting basically everything that happened. We have so many videos over the years. I've been racing for like 19 years now, and I don't know where they went. So we decided to do this just to kind of keep everything saved, so we don't lose them. But turned into this, and that last video really had a ton of views and comments and support, and I appreciate all of it. I do put out these videos about every Thursday or Friday. Just shows all the highlights from each racing weekend on Flow, Dirt Vision, local tracks and things like that. Put them together. Hope you guys enjoy them. And then I appreciate everybody that's subscribed to the channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. And leave us a comment, like the video, and we'll see you next time.